Hello, this is Frederick Sang, and I'm going to give you a quick guided tour of Posterita POS. I'm currently online, posterita.com, using a 512 kilobyte connection. So if you have a faster connection, obviously this is going to be a lot smoother. Here you can create a new POS, or you can go into the demo just to give it a quick test drive by entering the user PIN or username and password provided. So I'm going to click on Posterita demo here and enter the user PIN 1234. Alright, this is the first time we're currently logging into Posterita POS using this machine, so it's requiring me to select the terminal. There's only one terminal at the moment in Posterita demo, which is terminal 1, which is but the default created whenever you create a new POS. So I'm going to continue now, and basically this is going to save the information into your cookie, and then it would not ask you anymore to select the terminal whenever you log in into the machine again. Now we're going to have a quick look at the cash sales screen. Here we have the barcode, the name, the description of the products. So I can add products through the barcode or by searching for the name, or by searching for their description. We support various shortcut keys, so I can very quickly switch between barcode, name or description if I need to, just by using the keyboard. So I'm going to add another product inside. You will see on the right hand side of the screen we have more details about the products, like a picture if we have one, the current stock quantity, and the tax category we're using. I can navigate through the cart by using control down or control up. Control right will increment one unit at a time for the products, and obviously you see the total updating immediately. If you had a very large number of quantity to input, then you would be able to change it directly in the quantity box. We can also assign a customer to the order, so this is practical if we're actually going to sell it on credit, or we just want to keep track records of our good customers and who's buying what. We have different methods of payment, so we have the card, check and mixed payment, which is supported, and credit. Over here I'm just going to use the cash payment. We have the order number and reference number just to add some more details for reference. We have a quick discount, so here I can just change the discount on the item, but over here I have not set any authorization to set a discount, so it's saying discount amount exceeded. So this is good because we want to control the amount of discounts we're giving. We can clear the whole cart, we can open the drawer, we can save it because if someone is waiting the queue, and then we can invoke it back again. But change pin is practical because I may be a salesperson and I've processed that order, and now there's a discount that is needed because it's a very good customer, but I do not have the authorization to do it, so I may want to change the pin. So I'm going to call my supervisor to give me a pin which has the discount amount. So I'm just going to cancel that. I'm going to check out now and enter the amount tendered. It's going to give me the amount refunded immediately. When I click OK, on the top right hand, it's already saying which amount refunded I need to give, and now you see how this is gonna get printed on the slip printer, and we have a PDF version as well if you want to use it with an A4 printer. You may need to configure it using AdMPR for the formatting. So now we can just do Control Space or New Order, and it's going to send me back to the screen. Here you will see the cash sales history. We can have a look at the different orders we placed. So here you will see the latest slip printer that order that we just placed. Obviously you can export it as CSV, you can view it as a PDF and a different file format, the LTF. You can do different search or filtering to have a look at your history. Here we're just looking at the today's orders, but Posterita POS keeps a record of all the orders you placed. In terms of cash management, I can at any times have a look at how much money I have in the tail, which is $1,140.61. How much sales I made today, give me a quick summary of the current money in the tail. This is where I will close the tail, so if I had to hand over to another cashier, or basically at my end of day process, then I would just go onto that screen and put the amount of money that I have just counted in my tail. So if I were to put 1,140, then I'll just submit that. And it's going to say that I have a difference of 61 cents missing. Now I can have a look at the cash book history, and it has created a new cash book for myself. So I can have a look at the previous cash sales history, and I can have a look at every time I close the tail. It keeps a track record of whatever I had in there. So here it says that 1,140 has been transferred to a bank account, and if I had the different receipts and the difference, which is 61. I can also adjust the cash book if needs be, and I can say whether it's an expense, so this is good for petty cash, or there's a receipt, or basically I'm transferring the money somewhere else, and I just put the amount. Obviously this kind of access can be limited depending on your roles. Alright, thank you for having a quick look at the Posterita POS. Goodbye.